So in today's video, we'll be looking at using ChatGPT and other AI tools in the workspace. What you need to know. Hello, you're welcome to my channel Dozier Telbert, and just like the name of the channel is, that's also my name, Dozier Telbert. The beauty of what I'm about to tell you has to do with watching this video up until the end. So try to watch this video up until the end. Let's look at AI in the workplace and workspace. The first thing you need to know about AI in the workplace is that AI is just like a support machine that does the work for you. It's worth knowing that it doesn't take your job. It will not do the job until you guide it to. As you've known this, it means you need to guide the AI effectively before you can get the best of the AI. That also comes to the next point I'm about to make. The next point will be the fact that you need to understand the intricacies of your job very well so as to use AI. For instance, if you use ChatGPT and you want to use ChatGPT to generate an official letter and you want ChatGPT to sound exactly like you, all you need to do is to copy the templates of your letters, paste it on ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to study the trend and the writing style of this letter. Okay, so now give it a guiding prompt on what you expect to be on this letter. So when you see this, you understand that ChatGPT cannot do this work all by itself. It needs to be guided very well, and for it to be guided means you need to have a proper understanding on how these letters are written in your organization, or for whatever reason you wish to use ChatGPT, Gemini, and any other AI tool that you will use to make your work better in the workplace. Okay, so I want us to see ChatGPT and other AI tools like Gemini as a support tool and not the tool that is there to take over our job or to do the job for us. If you don't understand your job, if you don't understand how it works, you wouldn't even understand the right prompts to give these AI tools. The last point I'm about to make concerning why you need to understand your job is that sometimes when this AI tool hallucinates, because of course they do, you will be able to track it and guide it back and say, hey guy, come back to this way. This is what I'm looking for. What you're giving me, you're not giving me something in the right direction. So that is how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools productively in your workspace. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.